Fáilte chuig Rang Gaeilge, your go-to Irish grammar website.
Today we're looking at An Chopail. The couple is called the copula in English, but we don't actually know what that is, so put simply, the couple operates as a way of linking words together in sentences. There are some specific words we use for the couple. We're going to look at the láithreach, or present tense. To ask questions, the couple words an and nach are used in the láithreach. The sentence structure is as follows. An Chopail, an Unearnedness, or information, an Téarmaí, or subject. Like, an fear é, is it a man? To answer questions positively using An Chopail, the couple word is used. The sentence structure is the same as for asking questions. An Chopail, an Unearnedness, an Téarmaí. Is fear é, it is a man. To answer questions negatively, the couple word ní is used. The sentence structure is the same as asking and answering questions. An Chopail, an Unearnedness, an Téarmaí. Ní Colleen é, it is not a girl. If a verb such as dar or cheap is at the beginning of the sentence, we use the firm indirect or indirect form of the couple. We do this by using the couple words gur, gerb, or nach. The gur and gerb are used for positive sentences and nach for negative sentences. The structure of this type of sentence is as follows. Bríothar, an Chopail, an Unearnedness, an Téarmaí. So an example of a positive sentence using the firm indirect is Der tú gur Colleen é. You said it is a girl. And an example of a negative sentence using the firm indirect, Deram nach Colleen é. I say it is not a girl. Gurb is used in the láithreach before adiachtaí that start with a gutta and before dofriher that start with a gutta. Gur is used in the láithreach before animucal that start with a gutta, before réamhucal that start with a gutta, and before franamnica réamhuclacha that start with a gutta. The couple is also used to show identity, or in Untitled. The sentence structure of Untitled is as follows. An Chopail, an fearanam, an Téarmaí, an Unearnedness. So, for example, Isi Líse an duine I do cheann. Líse is the person in your head. Similarly, we use the firm indirect if a verb, such as dar, is at the beginning of the sentence. For example, Darim gurí Líse an duine I mo cheann. Agus sin é.